Singular means one, plural means many. 1 star, 2 stars. 1 flower, 3 flowers. 1 balloon, many balloons. Exercise 1. Underline the nouns in the following sentences and write them in proper columns. He forgot the keys of the car in the office. Let's find out naming words. Naming words are nouns. Names of persons, places, animals, birds are called nouns. See, there is a word keys. Is the name of the thing. Car is the naming word used for thing. Office is the name of a place. Let's see their number. Keys. This word ends in S. So it's a plural noun. Car doesn't end in S. It's a singular noun. Office doesn't end in S. It's a singular noun. Sentence 2. Some children from an African country visited our school today. Let's first pick out nouns. Children, noun, country, and school are the nouns. Children is a naming word used for persons. Country and school are naming words of places. Now let's decide whether they are in singular form or in plural. Plural means more than one. Children is a plural noun. Country doesn't end in IES, so it's a singular noun. School doesn't end in S, so it's again a singular noun. Singular means one and plural means more than one, many in number. 3 number, we should brush our teeth for 3 minutes. There are two naming words in this sentence, teeth and minutes. Teeth is a plural noun, tooth singular, teeth plural, many teeth, more than one tooth. Minutes, noun ends in S, so it's a plural noun. Sentence 4. Many mangoes were growing on the tree. There are two naming words in this sentence. Mangoes is a name of a fruit. It ends in ES, so it's in plural form. Tree doesn't end in S, it's a singular noun. Some Indian cities are very crowded. Cities, the only noun of the sentence. It has ending of IES. It's a plural noun. Plural suggests more than one, many cities, not one city. 6 number, the fairy was fond of eating mangoes. Fairy, mangoes are naming words. Fairy is a singular noun. Mangoes is in plural form. 7. These houses have 4 stories each. There are two nouns in this sentence, houses and stories. Both are plural nouns. 8 number, the knives I bought from the market were not sharp. Knives, market are nouns. Knives is a plural form of knife and market is a singular noun. 9. The farmer bought a pair of oxen to plow his fields. Farmer, oxen, fields are the nouns. Farmer, singular noun, oxen, plural noun, fields, plural noun. 10 number, the washermen were washing clothes at the well. Washerman, clothes, well are the nouns in this sentence? Washerman, men man is there, so it's a plural noun. Clothes, plural. Well, singular noun. Textbook exercise E. Write the plural of these nouns. Office, offices. Friend, friends. Flower, flowers. Giraffe, giraffes. Students, plural of these nouns office, flower, friend, giraffe are formed by adding s at the end. Glass, glasses. Dress, dresses. Wish, wishes. Dish, dishes. All these words glass, dress, wish, dish and in hissing sound, sound, right? According to the rule, such words form their plurals by es ending. Hero, heroes. Tomato, tomatoes. See, these two words, hero and tomato, and in O letter. So, plurals are formed by adding es at the end. Diary, diaries. Country, countries. Students, see the plurals of these two words. In plural, we have replaced y with ies because it's a rule. The word which ends in consonant plus y takes es after it and y is replaced with I. Loaf, loaves. Wolf, wolves. According to the rule, we have removed f and added ves in plural. Nouns or words that end in f or fe make their plural by ves. They take ves in plural. We removed f of singular noun and we have written ves in plural. Goose, geese. Mouse, mice. Ox, oxen. Foot, feet. Fill in the blanks by using either the singular or the plural form of the nouns given in the brackets. This hotel serves a variety of delicious dishes. A variety of delicious dishes. Plural form will come. The dash was flying a dash. Here, after the first blank, verb was is written, which suggests us that we have to use singular noun. Child will come. Then a second blank has an article a written before it. It is again a hint for us to use singular noun. So we have written kite. Third blank, brush your dash every day. Brush your teeth. We brush all our teeth, right? Tooth singular, teeth plural. Next blank, Nitin is not wearing shoes. His dash have become dirty. Here, after the blank, verb have is written, which is a hint for us to use plural form of noun. Foot singular, feet plural, FEET, feet. Next, all the dash should play for at least 1 hour every day. Okay, all word is used in the beginning of the sentence, which suggests us that we have to use plural form. What is the plural of child? Children. 2 policemen. MEN man is a plural form, right? Were guarding the main gate. GATE gate. Next, I bought 1 loaf, same LOAF loaf of bread and 2 peaches. we will add es and make it plural. Okay, that's all for today. Bye.